first step to create the Java graphic user interface is create a JFrame object. So in main method, let's create JFrame object. Let's name it window new JFrame. So that's the basis, foundation of Java graphics. The JFrame is in Java Xswing library, so you need to import that. The Visual Studio Code is some convenient tooltip in the yellow light bulb. Click on that, and then it suggests to import the JFrame from Java Xswing package. That is the one. So click on that. Then import is the syntax how to use the external library, and then we have all set. So window is a JFrame object, and then you can do window dot set size of the window. You can set that. Let's have 500 and 300, and then what you need to do is window set pack, and then window set visible true. So that's the basic things you need to do to create a Java graphic user interface. So let's run and see what happens. Run, then small Java window. Actually you didn't add anything inside the window, so size is not working yet, but if you resize that, this is the very basic Java window created. Then another thing you could do is window dot set location. You can have 400 and 200, X and Y, those are defined. Thus, as you run, here is 400 XYs, and the YY is 200, and then this is the location of the window. So if you have done some major development, I didn't do any major one yet, but to demonstrate how to use Git and GitHub, suppose that this is something we have achieved, and then we want to put into source code management. So here's the source code, and then here you can say whatever message, JFrame window added something for yourself. Just add a message and then press a checkbox, commit it. And then what is committed is on the local computer, and then I want to push that into remote repository. So dot 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 push to this remote repository, then it is pushed. So if I bring it up, this GitHub, now if I refresh the window, see that the locally developed one is pushed onto the remote repository.